They holding the vortex, or are they gonna come here?
They're here.
They're here.
Yo, guys. Bomb Def. They have sleeper. Okay.
Are they full brawl,
Dismounted.
guys?
He dismounted.
Wake up. Wake up.
I don't know.
Okay, ikaw lead Ikaw lead po kayo sa atin.
Possible
Yeah,
full brawl.
yeah,
They have
listen.
sleeper.
Yeah, listen up, okay? Try to do 2 engages. Listen. If you're not in party 1, your first engage, okay? If you're not party 1, your first engage, okay? You get ready, listen. First engage on the choke. Get ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First party on the choke. Choke. Heal up. I said first. Okay, get ready. Defend. Heal me. Everyone, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Come back. Heal up.
Hindi pa nag-OC
Yeah, for the pussy. They have a bomb. Listen, they have a bomb. Spread northwest. They have a bomb. Spread northwest. They gear fast, boys. Yo, Behe, watch the bomb. They have a range bomb. Watch it, okay? Marlica, listen. Spread northwest side. I marked their color already. It's not ready defense on this show. Hold on. Everyone, get ready. Southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on the choke. Choke. Garden in the front lane, boys. Come back. Spread northwest. Spread only. Hold them.
Walking sila.
Heal up my front lane fast. Another engage coming in. Heal up. They have 2 engages. 1 bomb squad and 1 mini engage.
Heal East Tower, please.
Listen, get ready.
Pahingin ng isang healer sa East Tower. May nagkaano sa amin. Isang healer lang.
Listen, tanks, just listen. Just CC this front line. Behemoth, just, drop your E's here every time they try to engage. Marlica, get ready. They're gonna engage soon. Spread. Just ready to stop them on a choke. They're looking. Fake. Heal up.
Engage.
Another engage gonna come.
Shipper.
Spread.
Lens, please.
Sulatong, why you
Na-stop
trying to
shipper.
catch the, ano?
Do we have Exalted?
Heal up,
Drop it in the choke.
East. Get a healer.
Isang healer lang guys sa
They
amin.
already asked, man. They already asked earlier. We're all in one comms and still, they already asked. Hindi, wag ka sarap, Dway. Ba't ka nasarap?
Walang balista.
Hindi, pero nakita mo na ka?
Engage.
Yung healers mo naiyak na naman. Kaya, magsarap.
Inside, southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on the choke. Come back. You can get a guard on that, ano? Yeah, they're stepping up. Heal up. Can I get a guardian on that choke, please? Step up. Spread. Just hold them. It's okay. Spread only. Do not go kiting north. Just spread. Brawl the brawlers inside. Spread. Okay, careful. Okay, careful. Don't go past the choke. I have tanks to stop their engage. They're looking. Another engage gonna come. Get ready. Spread. Another engage coming.
Shipper.
Inside. Wait. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Come back fast. Spread. Tanks, get ready to hold them down, okay? You're gonna try to funnel in. They're gonna try to hold them, okay? Just spread. Just delay their DPS once they try to funnel in. Once their tanks try to funnel, just delay their DPS. That's it. Just hold. Engage shallow. Heal up. Why so many people up front? Just hold them. Get ready. Another engage gonna come. Careful. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Headbutt. Come back fast. Oh my god. Apos, di mo man nakita yung shaper na yun?
Nag-drop din ako dun eh.
Oh, no. Spread. It's okay. Just spread and brawl. Just spread the people inside. Yo, can my bomb defs watch the shaper? There's 2 of you guys. Careful, they're looking. Careful, they're looking. Spread only. Listen, Marlica, just hold. Pop your potion, walk in. Look at the choke. Everyone on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone on the choke now. Nice. Now spread inside. They're gonna counter inside. Ready defenses. They're gonna counter. Spread only. We clap a lot there. Heal up and spread. Spread and brawl inside. It's okay. Tanks, hold them inside. Fuck everyone inside. Careful on the choke. Do not pass the choke yet, boys. Do not pass the choke yet. Just chill. Just brawl everything inside. On a choke, get ready, on a choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill everything on a choke. Kill everything on a choke. Kill this guy. Spread northwest, spread northwest, spread northwest. Kill this guy. Spread northwest, spread northwest. Tanks, they're gonna step out again.
Here they come.
Careful. Just spread northwest, trigger fast. Careful, engage coming in. Heal up, heal me.
Walang mana, sorry. Walang guard rin.
Target ng Barret.
Yeah. Just stand somewhere and just get another engage gonna come, Just like that, just chill, man. My tanks are holding the back line. Just spread around and don't get clumped up. So when I counter on that choke, when their DPS are stepping up, we hit them. Yo, Shaper coming in.
Shaper.
Defense shallow. Again, you're too clumped up in the front, boys. You're too clumped up in the front. You're too near in the front. Getting clumped like that is crazy, man. Can we lessen the damage escalation? Can you stop being stupid and stop fucking feeding their fucking clump tanks? Another engage coming. Everyone, southeast gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast gate. Southeast gate. Southeast gate. No, come back. Spread only. Spread only. Again, stop fucking feeding tanks. If you see their clump tanks sprint like that, man, stop their backline, not the clump tank. Silence instantly.
They pulling back? No, they're not.
Careful. They have another engage
Shaper,
coming in.
Shaper.
They have another engage coming in. Where are my bomb stoppers? Can I have
Ako,
another
nasa isa ako,
bomb
nasa
stopper
isa
or
ako.
the- Can I have another one?
Patay daw yung isa.
Spread. Si touch me. Ano gamit i-touch me?
BMS.
That's not a bomb stopper. You're signed up as a bomb stopper though.
Hindi ba?
Spread northwest. Get ready. They're looking. Oh, your potion on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the choke. Choke. Come back fast. Another engage gonna come here. Heal the front lane. Another engage gonna come here. Spread northwest. Tanks get ready to stop them. Spread northwest, okay? Another engage gonna come. They're stepping up. Careful the tanks inside, okay? Careful the tanks inside. Just spread. Heal up only. Trigger fast, boys. Trigger fast, DPS. Careful. Spread only. Ready defenses. They're looking now. They're engaging shallow. Can you guys spread more? Like Fukeko, can you stop looting and just fucking watch, man?
Over the wall, nag-engage.
They have another engage still. They have another defense shallow.
Looking.
Everyone inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Yo, tangina, Alakart, wag mo naman sana i-clump. I-clump up mo yung mas malaking part. Wag ka mag-clump up ng shallow ng ganun. Ako magka-clump shallow, i-clump mo yung mas malayo.
Noted.
Pahil.
Mas malaki yung range mo ng clump. So literally, kaya mo pa i-clump up yung backline nila. You clump like, we're looking southeast, right? You clump southeast of me. But not too far away from me. You clump southeast of me, not like any other fucking angle. Careful, they're gonna look here soon. Spread northwest.
Careful kaya, nag-engage sila, mag-engage yan over the
Okay,
wall.
Another engage gonna come. Careful, ready headbutt. I need silence, get ready, Yo, get ready, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Heal up. That's, oh my god. I'm already saying that they're gonna have another engage coming. Why do we still have casualties despite knowing that they have another engage coming? Bruh.
Nagpa-pulling out sila, Mugi. Hindi ko alam
Because
bakit.
they know that Summers is coming and Summers is probably there already. I need my riggers to come fast.
Okay.
They're pulling back because they know Summers is there probably.
Mga DPS, pull back muna kayo kung ano.
I need more supports to come.
Nag-escalate tayo sa harap eh. Napupull kayo ng airthrow.
Dude, watch their clump tanks, man, guys. Watch their clump tanks. Need one battle scout to mount up and look.
Wag ka, Snowpel.
Like, listen up, right? Bakit yung battle mount ko? Can a fucking tank mount up and you fucking battle mount stop being a fucking stupid ass bitch?
Ano yung naklap sa atin dito sa gitna mo game? First engage nila. Bomb nila
Bomb
yun.
squad. What's happening? Pwede going southeast. Need more supports to come fast. Yo, listen, yo, niggers. Hello, ikaw, Fukeko, you're in a very bad angle. Can you like play more side here, right? You see them more when you play on the side. You always play middle. They're always clumping in the middle, but you can fucking play side, right? And you just check, not too close to the side, but around here you have a very good angle to see their whole east side here. On me, on the crown here. Yeah, here, but you keep staying here in the middle earlier. Even the clump tanks, there's enough clump tanks, right? You can play on the sides. Just ready defenses, man. Just ready your fucking reaction time.
Mercy sira ng Mugi.
How big?
23.
Check in the
They were 23 in the last map. Like, should be like 24 at least.
Rigger, faster, Rigger.
Marigir, come back fast.
Scholar.
Rev
think
Mark
they have
Neko,
one-
I don't know why the party lead is with you. It was passed incorrectly.
Wake up, everyone. Wake up.
That's Mark Neko.
Mugi, I think they have 2 engages.
They have 2 engages again, okay? One behemoth, my behemoth, make sure you stop there again. One of the, no? Jorogi and the other beetle. Can you guys go like both defensive actually? Just go both defensive. We just fucking full absorb.
Copy.
So like so rotate the silence. Mahilin you all go offensive.
Raven, kaya mo mag-PTB?
Who's southwest?
Pichulo, can you give me the lead for now? Mark ako na call.
GE nag-zone southeast.
Come west.
Yeah, west.
Ay, come back. Yeah, listen, come back middle. Come middle.
What is why did MB died? How did he died?
He died at the southwest.
Southeast GE dismounted.
Just come to me, it's fine. We can play this.
Inching up, Summers. Inching up.
Yo, Battlemounts walking. You get ready. Yo, get ready to silence their choke, okay? Look at me, everything get ready. West side, get ready, shallow.
Ay, nawala si Mugi.
No, I'm not talking. They have another engage, okay? Everyone, get ready, shallow.
Third gate na
I
yung
know,
third gate.
come southeast, kamis. Yo, tanks walking. Defend shallow. Yo, full defend. Potion walking. Go deep. 5, 4, 2, deep.
Some
Come back southwest. Come back southwest. Regroup southwest.
Full pushing naman ng west.
Yeah, regroup southwest. Tanks get ready to hold them, okay? Regroup southwest, okay?
Sino nagingin ng lead?
Come middle. Careful over the wall. Come middle. Okay, play middle. Come middle. Just play middle.
Play middle daw. Dep tanks, play middle.
Hold on.
Oh, west side either. Come middle.
Binabok nila northeast mo,
I
Mugi.
see it.
Okay.
Yo, listen, I need someone to watch Summers. Yo, Marlika, get ready. Hold on. Listen, Marlika, get ready. Okay. Get ready to engage east side. Listen, I need a lot of healings on their east side, okay? Get ready, just wait here. Everyone get ready, northeast, okay? Northeast, 5, 4,
Yeah,
3,
we
2,
did places,
1, northeast now. Clap this all front line here. Come back.
Inching up Summer.
Spread. Come west side.
Shaper.
Come west side here. Okay, wait. Tanks, get ready to hold them down. Do not let them pass the choke. Listen, okay? Okay, come west side here, come west side here, come west side here, come west side here, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come west side here, come west side here. Spread northwest side. Listen, spread northwest side, okay? Tanks, watch the east side, watch Griffin Empire. Listen, you guys can spread over the
Kailangan
northwest
ko
wall
na
over
dito.
here
Hindi ko
also.
kayang stop to.
Okay?
One hand ako.
Listen, spread northwest side, spread northwest side, spread northwest side. Get ready to hold them down. Spread northwest side only, spread northwest side. I said spread northwest side, boys. Just spread northwest side. They have another engage coming in. Get ready, everyone counter north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter north side now, counter north side now, counter north side now, counter north side now. Now spread northwest, spread northwest, spread northwest side. Spread northwest side, spread northwest side, spread northwest side. Spread northwest side, boys. Spread northwest side, okay? You guys can spread northwest side. Heal up, and spread northwest side. Just watch where Summer is, okay? Spread
Bakit
northwest
out
side.
yung Griffin Northeast?
Yeah. Just spread northwest side. You don't have to stay in the middle. Just wait. Yo, get ready. Everyone, step up. Wait, step up. Northeast, get ready. Wait. Come back. Hold. East side. Walkies. Hold that. Everything east side deep. 5 on the choke. 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke.
Nice one.
Come back.
Pulling
Come
out
south
rin
here.
yung
Come south here to me.
Pull out sila.
Come south to me. Okay, wait. Come north. Come north here. Hold Summers there. Hold Summers.
Second gate.
Hold Summers. Give me a fake now. Fake, any fakes?
Griffin first gate pa rin.
Shallow east side.
Going
5,
second gate.
4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east side.
Kailangan ko lang isang
Come back.
mace dito pang stop lang. Kasama ko.
Spread. Kill this tanks. Kidnap the tanks inside. Yo, I need a scout on the south side. I need the ice on the south side, okay?
Nasa west ako, Mugi. Andito ako. Mounting up yung iba.
Yo, come south.
They're moving
I need
south.
that.
They're moving
Go,
south.
moving south now.
Mugi. Ano na? Courtyard.
Come north. Yeah, I see it. Tanks, watch the courtyard, okay? We hold him on his choke. Listen. I need someone to watch the bottom.
Engage.
Heal up my front line. Everyone get ready. Yo, get ready. Headbutt southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt southwest shallow. Nice. Now come back and heal up. Just hold. Yo, they're gonna step up northwest. I need you guys to hold them. Make sure they don't pass this choke here, oh. I need some people watching the northwest also. Make sure you don't let them pass the choke, boys. Listen, okay? Just wait. They have 2 engages. Listen, the first engage we bait. The second engage we keep fucking headbutting, okay? We pop our potion, we counter engage it. Hold on. They have a ballista. Can somebody fuck their ballista?
Nag-engage yung first engage na Summers, ha?
Yo, Marlika, get ready. Look at south. Marlika, get ready. South shallow, Marlika. South shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow now. Pull back fast. Ready. Tanks, hold them. Silence them. Spread and hold them. Keep holding. Spread and hold them. They're gonna engage inside, okay? They're gonna look northwest. They're funneling northwest. Tanks, hold them. Alright, they're coming back. They're going back. They're pulling back. Good.
Nice.
Just like that, boys. Just like that.
Inside, careful.
Get ready, Marika. Hold. Spread more north side, boys. Spread more north side. Be careful. Spread more north side.
Okay.
Just like that, boys.
Huwag na kayo mag-overextend.
Spread north. Do not overextend. Just ready to silence, okay? Yo, where's my ballistas? Can you guys kill their ballistas and rape their ballistas?
W inside DPS.
Okay, yung be.
Yeah, and be ready. Careful. They're looking shallow. Zinjetsu is calling
Carbine
this.
stacking, ha? Carbine
They're
stacking.
looking shallow, okay?
They're looking.
I'm telling you now, they're looking. Spread more, boys. Spread more. Careful. Ready defenses.
Raven, remounting ako.
I'm looking for
step out.
Zinjetsu.
Dismounted
May
G south.
Griffin sa west. Griffin west.
Where? West of them?
West.
Yo,
Oo,
Marika, south shallow. Get ready.
Pinupuntahan
5,
nila.
4, 3, 2, 1. South shallow. I come back fast. Defend shallow. Get ready. Defend shallow. Keep peeling. They have another engage. They're going deep. Potion. Hold him. Everyone, get ready. Come northwest here. Tanks, hold them.
West.
Come northwest. Hold them. They don't have engage. Listen, walk in. They don't have engage yet. Walk in. Give me a fake. Walk in southwest deep. Give me a fake. Hold. Everything, get ready. Look at inside, okay? Inside. Hold. Ready defense. Spread. Southwest down the choke. Get ready. Wait. Southwest down the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest down the choke now. 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 The spread. They're gonna counter. They're gonna counter. They're gonna counter. Spread fast. They're gonna counter. Spread. Okay. Spread and ball. Spread and ball. Spread and ball. Spread and ball. Come east side if you need to. Okay. Tanks, just hold them on the west side. Control them on the west side. Okay. Control them on the west side.
Daw, southeast.
Yo, careful, east side. Listen, come northeast here. Just come northeast. Yo, pass through northeast. Tanks, hold them. Defend now. Keep coming east side. Defend west side. Keep coming east side. Come pass through. Just walk with me. Just walk with me. Get ready. Look at southwest here. Get ready. Okay, come. Get ready. Deep west side. Get ready. Deep west side. Just walk. Deep west side. 5, 4, 3, 2. Deep west side now.
Look kayo, summer.
Now take south side. Listen, boys. Take south side here. Spread on south side.
nigga.
Spread on south side. Spread on south side.
Watching ako west.
Spread on south side. Okay. Just wait.
Pawas ng Griffin, ah.
Yo, listen. Watch the west side. Watch the west side. Marika, come north. Marika, come northeast now. Marika, come north. Come north. It's okay. Come northeast. Come northeast. Get ready. Deep northwest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. Deep north now. Come east side to small gate. Wait, now, listen. Come west side here. Summers is pushing. Come west side here. Tanks walking. Walking west side. Go to small chokes also. Walking deep. Get ready, deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. Come back northeast.
Help nyo sila. Nice.
Spread northeast side.
Good.
Listen, regroup northeast side. Watch my southeast. Just hold. Careful on the west side. Listen, just careful on the west side.
Walang tao sa southeast.
Hold. Summers is stepping up. Get ready to hold him on this choke. Tanks, start holding them.
Magi southeast. May
Yeah, I see
nagdarap
it.
ng konti.
South sa G.
Just wait.
Isang may sa akin sa southeast.
Just wait.
They're gonna engage, they're gonna engage, they're gonna
They're gonna engage. That's fake. Everyone, get ready. Wait, on the choke. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke. Come back. Nice engage. Spread. They have engage. Spread. Spreading up. They have second engage. Spreading it up. Kill the tanks inside. Kill the tanks inside. Good. We're winning. Good. Just watch G on the southeast. They're looking. Okay. Careful. Just wait.
Lumalabas yung Mugi, wrapping around northeast mo.
Come east side.
Northeast mo.
Come northeast.
Small choke.
Alright, Cody. Come back west side. Listen, spread. Tanks walking. Be inside of their zerg. It's a fake only. They have another engage, okay? Marika, listen. Wait. Potion now. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Now spread. They're gonna counter inside. Spread and walk in. Defend on the backline. Walk in west side. No, come northeast here. Spread north side only.
G southwest.
Marika, come to me. Get ready. Southwest, west side. Look at west side. Get ready. West side. Walking into G. West side deep. Southwest 5 on the stairs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stairs. I spread. Come northwest here, boys. NW. Open the chest. Come northwest. Heal up. Cleanses. Spread. Come northwest here. Come northwest. NW. Just walk with me. Heal up. Get ready. Tanks, get ready. Heal up. Marika, get ready. Look at southeast here. Southeast 5. Inside 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Can I get cleanses, man? Where's my cleanses? I spread. Come northeast here. Open the chest. Come northeast. Spread. Open the chest. Yo, come. Heal up. Come east. DPS. East. They don't have engage. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside on me. Now spread south side. Careful on the chest. Okay, spread. They're gonna engage soon. Defend inside. Very nice. Marika, get ready. Come to me. Marika north side, get ready. North side on the chest. North side on the chest. DPS, everything. North side on the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side on the chest. On the chest, boys. On the chest. More DPS coming in. Now spread southeast side. Come east side here. Come south, please. Come south. No, come north. Just spread north. Watch G here. Watch G north. Just come north, boys. Just come north. North side. Just stay north side. Tanks, watch the southeast side. Just hold. Yo, kill the summers inside. Brawl the summer inside. Careful, yo, listen. They're gonna look soon. Heal up on my north side. Get ready. Careful. Jammers looking full defend. Defend now. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside counter. Kill all low people here. Kill all low people here.
Heals lang,
Now
heals
spread.
lang. They going out.
Spread. Come west here. Come west.
They're looking west.
Come west. You battle mounts out.
I'm getting caught.
Yo, listen. Careful. G is here. Listen, Marlicas, just spread around and survive. G there, just spread around and survive. Careful. Just wait. Battle mounts out. Get out. Okay, the rest, just hold. Let G and them fight. Okay. Listen. The people alive. will open the chest, okay? We try to let the chest. Just wait.
West side.
Just spread southwest. Just
I
wait.
can't. Shit.
Yo, listen, where are you? Ping. I'm
Rami.
Yeah, careful. Spread more, boys. Spread more.
Go change your mount. Just coalesce and
Still
change your
fighting.
mount.
Still fighting.
Nandidismount ako, Mugi. Shit.
Where ka? Saan?
Ito. Digit mo lang ako.
Mag-switch ka na.
Wait lang. They still engage. Summers engage.
Yeah, try to open the chest one, Maharlika. Try to open the chest, I don't know what's happening here right now. Huwag ka magpalata, CJ. Huwag ka magpalata.
Ang daming nakabantay, di gago.
Come southeast.
Pahil.
Let them keep fighting. I need a healer on me lang, ah. Yeah, if I have DPS, who's running?
Someone is running.
Everyone, if I have DPS, come to me. DPS, and on me, get ready. Just kill this guys here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just kill this guy here. Kill the guys. Oh, putangin mo, tumintis ka pa. Yawa ka, lintik ka, putangin mo.
Gago na. Paano ako na? Nagsatap ako.
Yeah, try to open the chest also. Griffin Empire is trying to catch.
Pahil.
Can I get triggers fast?
Mugi, takas ko na to, Mugi, ah.
Yeah, the battle mans get out. Yo, can we bait them before opening the chest? Bait them out the chest. Just one person stay there. Just bait them out the chest. Bait them out of the chest. Get out. It's okay, bait them out of the chest. Just bait them out of the chest. Just spread. Then one person just funnel in. Let them bait them. Let them all come to us. Let them all try to chase us. Then one person rotate around, okay? Just wait. Just get out. Come southeast.
God
Kami,
damn,
kigan
that
mo.
was a fun fight, man.
Hirap.
Kilim.
That's outside.
Ayaw nila ipa-open.
Nag ko yung Summers, sinolo engage ako.
Go back.
Trigger babong eh.
No. Fight's done. It's okay.
Ganda ng laban 3-way. Ito maganda.